Welcome to Centriq, where your path to an IT career can take as little as 4 months. At Centriq, we're about education, but also transformation. And with over 30 years of experience, we specialize in accelerating your journey into an exciting IT career. We know what prepares you for success in the tech industry. We equip you with the skills and knowledge needed to thrive in IT careers such as cybersecurity and coding. Our approach revolves around hands-on learning and real-world experience. Our instructors and career coaches are with you every step of the way.
Centriq does a great job about getting your feet wet and getting you into the workforce relatively quickly. I can take my career anywhere I want it to now, especially in the tech industry, and for that I'm very grateful.
The first day of being here, I could see such a difference between this and college. It's a completely different atmosphere. I feel like everyone here wants me to succeed. Everybody's invested in me succeeding, and it's amazing. It's so nice here.
The decision to train with Centriq was phenomenal. I would make it again and again, really. So as a veteran myself, there's so many options for veterans to be able to attend Centriq. It really is a no-brainer.
We believe in providing opportunities to those who are eager to learn and thrive in the IT industry. We are very excited to meet you, and the whole team is excited to support you as you start your journey into tech.